why didn't it work? We had 2 embryos put back in our uterus. They looked pretty good. They had outer cells and inner cells, just like the textbook. So that's the embryo, and this is the placental cells. So what if you do that, and like you did last month, and pregnancy didn't happen? Well, why is that? It's because, for the most part, it's because there was a chromosomal error, okay? And we draw chromosomes sort of this way. It's not exactly the way they look, but this is schematically what they look like. And you're supposed to have pairs of chromosomes, right? But oftentimes the egg has made a mistake before the sperm ever gets there. An embryo forms, we can't tell, we can't look at the embryo and tell that in fact one of the pairs of chromosomes has 3 chromosomes, and that's called a trisomy. A certain trisomy 21 is the most common one that causes miscarriages, non-pregnancies, and if a baby results from a 21 trisomy, it can be a Down syndrome baby. So these are the kinds of things, if we could look at these embryos, we know those defects are there. So in fact, we can take a piece of an embryo, take 3 cells out of an embryo at the 5th day after it's fertilized, send it off to a lab, and check the chromosomes, and only put back embryos that are normal. And we can improve the pregnancy rates. You actually can't make the embryos better, but if you have several embryos, like 5 embryos, you might eliminate the 3 that have errors and put back the good ones, okay? And while you're at it, you also find out the sex. You find out if it's an XX or an XY while you're determining the normalcy of the chromosomes. So that's called preimplantation genetic diagnosis.